In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can drive manual with a clutch here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, for whatever reason, I made the mistake of entering in my estate again, so I'm actually going to dip out of here. But essentially, what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and pause your game, go into the little settings tab right here, and go specifically into difficulty. When you get on here, you need to go to shifting and switch this from automatic to either manual or manual with the clutch. For normal manual shifting, and I'll just back out and save this real quick, in order to shift up, you need to go ahead and hit B. So once you hit that like little, full one, as you can see if I'm like flooring it right now, it's going to say 1 and it's going to be glowing. To switch up, you just hit B. And then of course, once again, you could keep doing that. And you can shift down by hitting like X or the corresponding keys. As you can see, it's going up, going down just like so. So once again, shifting up, you press B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation, or on keyboard, I believe it is just E. To shift down, it's X, square, or Q. When driving manual though, you want to shift up as soon as it hits that like red line or pink line, it looks like it is for me. Or when slowing down for corners, you just got to shift down a little bit so that the, car stays in the right gear. The best way to practice is by using a slower car on free roam or beginner races as well. And just focus on shifting up and shifting down just like so. Now, if you use manual with the clutch, you're also going to have to press the clutch key when shifting. So if you, of course, switch to that, and I'll switch to it real quickly, and of course, save. You then, of course, have to, in order to switch up, hold that clutch down as well. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. This is going to be, by default, left bumper on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation. And then, of course, this is also going to be shift on keyboard. When you hold down the clutch, it's obviously going to prevent you from moving. So what you do is essentially let go of the accelerator, press the clutch, and then shift gear, and then go back on gas. It obviously makes it a lot more difficult, but of course it is fun to do, and you're going to get higher skill points as well, which of course makes it worth it. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point, once again, that you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.